Hi, everybody. I'm Shauna.
And I'm Renee.
And we're sisters.
All right, today we're coming at you with another book recommendation. What are we reading, Shauna?
So we decided to share a little secular. This is non-Christian, so it's an actual secular book on emotional intelligence. It's called Emotional Intelligence 2.0, and the author is Travis Bradberry and Jean Greaves. In case anybody wants to get it on Amazon, that's where we got ours. Okay.
Yes.
And it's just a little something that me and my sister, we do extra study together. Besides reading the Bible, we do try to read other books to help us in any kind of way we can.
Awesome. So we're gonna jump right into a couple of pages that I want to read out loud, and then we're just gonna dialogue a little bit after. We're gonna talk about self-awareness. This book is on emotional intelligence, so we're going to hit the nail on the head about self-awareness. Self-awareness is your ability to accurately perceive your own emotions in the moment and understand your tendencies across situations. Self-awareness includes staying on top of your typical reactions to specific events, challenges, and people. A keen understanding of your tendencies is important. It helps you quickly make sense of your emotions. A high degree of self-awareness requires a willingness to tolerate the discomfort of focus on feelings that may be negative. The only way to genuinely understand your emotions is to spend enough time thinking through them to figure out where they come from and why they are there. Emotions always serve a purpose because they are your reactions to the world around you. Emotions always come from somewhere. Many times, emotions seem to arise out of thin air, and it's important to understand why something gets a reaction out of you. People who do this can cut to the core of a feeling quickly. Situations that create strong emotions will always require more thought, and these prolonged periods of self-reflection often keep you from doing something that you'll regret. Self-awareness is not about discovering deep, dark secrets or unconscious motivations, but rather it comes from developing a straightforward and honest understanding of what makes you tick. People high in self-awareness are remarkably clear in their understanding of what they do well, what motivates and satisfies them, and which people and situations push their buttons.
All right, so I'm going to go ahead and go over like a little brief synopsis of just a little snippet of what my sister read about self-awareness, and it does kind of correlate with self-control. I am going to give a biblical reference, biblical, I did it again, a biblical reference, and that's going to be Galatians 5, chapter 5, verses 22 to 23. Okay, Galatians chapter 5, verses 22 and 23. All right. So again, self-awareness does kind of correlate into self-control. So here's just a little brief overview. Self-control and self-awareness within Christianity emphasizes the need of reflection and self-control, right? The fruit of the Spirit, which encompasses traits like peace, patience, compassion, and self-control, is discussed in the scripture that I referenced earlier, which is Galatians 5, 22 and 23. All right. In terms of that scripture, Christians can nurture these fruits by becoming more conscious, okay, of their emotions, behaviors, and responding. All right, to people and situations in a way that is consistent to Christ's teaching, guys. All right. Let me go ahead and read that scripture. Galatians 5, 22 to 23 reads, but the fruit of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, long-suffering, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, meekness, self-control. Against such there is no law. All right. So hey, there you go. If you have any questions, if you want us to read another snippet of emotional intelligence, that was chapter 3, just give us a shout out. This is stuff that we like to do in our personal growth time as sisters, and you're part of our family too. So, all right. Thank you for joining.
God bless you.
God bless.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Love you. Bye.
Bye.